Welcome back, everybody. In today's episode of Cooking with Kirby, we're going to be making some old-fashioned pancakes. This recipe has been in the family for many generations. This is actually my grandmother's recipe. She actually has all her recipes written down on little index cards. So let's go over the ingredients. To start off, we will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now this flour here is already been sifted. You can buy flour that's already pre-sifted. If it's just regular all-purpose flour, just go ahead and sift your flour. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, and finally 1.25 cups of whole milk. Now take all our dry ingredients, the sugar, salt, and baking powder, and add it to your flour and mix this with the whisk. Now this is the only time you're gonna be mixing this batter with the whisk because the rest of the mixing we're gonna be using a spatula. Now when we mix the pancake batter, we just want to fold the pancake batter together. Now add in all of our wet ingredients and our egg. Add in our butter, vanilla extract, and finally our milk. Now just fold this in, give everything a mix, break the yolk of the egg, and then just keep folding in. It'll thicken up on you. Just get all that wet mixed in with the flour. You'll notice little chunky pieces inside your batter. That's what you're looking for. Now that we have our batter all assembled, let's get to our pan. Once your batter is mixed, get your favorite non-stick skillet or even better, cast iron pan. Let's heat up our skillet to medium heat. Now the reason why I like to cook pancakes over medium heat is because I like to get a perfect slow cooked golden brown exterior. Now if you have it a little bit higher, you got to cook it a little bit faster and it tends to burn it a little bit. Once your pan is heated, add in a little bit of butter and let that melt. Once your pan is up to temp, lay down a scoop of your batter. Widen out your pancake to your pan just by swinging it up and down. Now go ahead and let that cook for about 2 minutes. Now your pancake is gonna cook for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes on that side. You'll notice that you'll get a little bit of bubbles coming up on the top of the pancake, and that'll give you a good indication when to flip. As you can see, you're starting to get a little bit of air pockets here coming on the top of the pancake. Once you get enough of those, then you'll flip it. Usually takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Once your pancake has risen a little, just check the side to see if you can get underneath it. And there you go. That took about 1.5 minutes. Now this other side is gonna take about 1 minute to cook the rest of the pancake. Now a good indication once you flip your pancake to know that it's done, just tap the top of the pancake. If it sounds like a little pillow that you're slapping into, your pancake is done. Or you could just flip it and just get the texture, make sure that it's a golden brown color. But our pancake is done. Let me make a couple more pancakes and I'll show you how I plate it. When your pancake's nice and warm, add just a little bit of butter. We want some of that butter to melt right there on top. Now my kids love strawberry and bananas with their pancakes. So we'll just go ahead and put a little bit right here on the side. That way they can get a bite of the fruit as they eat their pancake. And we'll add a little bit of blueberries just to give it some color. Now to top it all off, some maple syrup. Now it's time to dig in, y'all. This right here is a Saturday morning breakfast. I wake up, make sure I do some pancakes for the kids, and it's delicious. Let me go ahead and spread around some of that butter around the pancake. Get some of that syrup around there. Now how I like to do it, get a couple pieces of pancake and one of the fruits. Cheers, y'all. Fluffy, light, just all around just a wonderful breakfast. Get the sweetness of that maple syrup, nice fluffy pancake with a little bit of that fruit. Some good stuff right there. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. That way you can see future videos just like this. As always, I'll leave a link in the video description and in the comment section so that way you can go to my website, cookingwithkirby.com, to get the full printable recipe. Now I have these recipes, they're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.